Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to go back to an old lesson to try an assessment again. So once you log in, you'll see all of the classes you are a part of. I'm interested in my grade 8 math class today. So the first thing we need to do is to get to our learning journey, and that's a list of all of the lessons and topics we have to work on. So to do that, for grade 8 math or whatever your class is called, you want to click on the three bars, and this is the learning journey icon. So let's do that. So this brings me to my learning journey. And again, that's a list of all of the topics and lessons in the course that I've worked on. So you can see all these things that I've already completed. And I can also see that there are some that I haven't worked on yet. So if there's no score, it means I haven't submitted any kind of assessment yet. So you can go back to any lesson anywhere in your learning journey. I have 2 milestones. You might have 1, you might have 5, or you might have 7. You can have any number of milestones. It really just depends on your class and how much you already know about the subject. So to go back to a lesson, you can just click on the milestone. That expands and lists all of the lessons that you worked on and have available to still work on. And remember, your goal is to master a topic. And master means 80% or better on an assessment or check for understanding. Now, it's easy to tell quickly what I've mastered here because it's in green. So green means I've mastered it. It means I really understand the topic, and I've gotten an 80% or better on the assessment. So I've done well on a lot of these. I've got a lot of green here, and I can scroll through and look at that. If you finish your learning journey and think, I'm all done with this, a good idea is to click into your milestones and go through and look for anything that's not green. So I see one right here, 67%. I did not master it, which means I did not score 80% or better. So I want to retry it. So after reviewing the material, if I'm ready to try that assessment again to try to score 80% or better, all you need to do is click on the lesson, and it expands what the lesson is. So we have that collection of resources, that's videos and practice questions. It's not graded, but your time spent on it is recorded. The second part of the lesson is a check for understanding, or CFU. This determines whether or not you master or really understand the topic. So the last time I took this CFU, I got a 67%. To try it again, all you need to do is click this blue play button.